Hi everyone, I'm Miss Bailey and I'm with the Boys and Girls Club of Metro Los Angeles, and welcome to DIY STEM. In today's STEM activity, we will be making our own robotic hand, and I actually have what we'll be making here today. So, if you look a little closer, we have some straws, we have some string, we have cardboard, and we have lots of tape. All of these things together replicate what's going on in our hand, which is really cool. And we'll learn a little bit more about what that means in a bit. Let's see what we need for today's experiment. So for today's experiment, we need cardboard, scissors, tape, some string, some straws, and a marker. So now what you're going to do is you're going to look at your hand and bend it a few times, and if you look at your hand, there are lines on your hand, and that's where your joints are. And you're going to mark those same lines on your cardboard hand. So mark on your cardboard hand where its joints would be, where it would bend. Then you're going to take some tape and your string, and you're going to tape one end of the string to the back of the hand, almost where your fingernail would be. And then you're going to cut it so that the string is a little bit longer than the cardboard hand. And you're going to do this for every single one of your fingers. So you're going to tape each piece of string to where the fingernail would be and cut it so it's a little longer than the hand. Next, what you're going to do is at each of the lines that you drew, you're going to fold your cardboard so your cardboard hand can fold like a real hand. So at every line that you drew, go ahead and fold it forward just so, like your hand would bend. Then you're going to take your drinking straws and cut them to size. And this means you're going to cut them so that they're a little bit smaller than the segments that you drew. So each little bit of straw, you're going to feed through the string and then tape it down to the cardboard. You do want a little bit of space in between each straw, like I'm showing you here, so that your finger can bend. Sometimes it helps to cut the tape in half too, like I'm doing here. So with each joint, you're going to tape a piece of straw. And you can try it out now and pull it to see how it bends. This one needs a little bit more tape. And here I'm doing it at supersonic speed, so I can do that with all of my fingers. And just to repeat what I'm doing here, I've cut each piece of straw down to size, and then I'm taking those little segments of straws, feeding them through the string, and then taping it down to the cardboard. I'm doing that for every segment of the finger